Children, now we can see the vocabulary part. New word, resonate. Parts of speech, verb. Meaning is continue to have a powerful effect or value course. Course, verb. Flow, canoe, noun. A small, light, narrow boat pointed at both ends and moved using a paddle, which we can see this in the ancient times. If they wanted to cross the river, if they wanted to take part a journey, they used this canoe, which is made up of animal skin and which is made in a round shape. Strand, noun, a single piece of thread, wire, or hair. New word, savage. Parts of speech, noun, meaning a member of people regarded as primitive and uncivilized. So already I gave you this word when we observed in your social studies that primitive life, uncivilized life. You can remember the word savage. Prairie, noun, a large open area of grassland called in North America. So as it is also a term in social, you have many grasslands like vales, downs, pampas, prairies. So here the word prairie, the grasslands of North America. Compassion, noun, a strong feeling of sympathy and sadness for the suffering and bad luck of others and a desire to help them. It is a long in sentence but very good meaning, that is desire to help others or showing sympathy to help others. Perish, verb, die especially in an accident or by being killed or to be destroyed. New word, dominion. Parts of speech, noun, meaning control over a country or people. The British Dominion, it is an example. Dominion, noun, control over a country or people. Example, the British Dominion. Blotted, verb, kept from being seen or concealed. Talking wire, noun, telephone wire. Thicket, noun, an area of trees and bushes growing closely together, which we can see these type of thorny bushes in the forest. That's what so far we discussed in the lesson. Now in this lesson, few expressions are given as part of textual grammar and vocabulary. The warmth of the land, I explained in the lesson. The word warmth here suggests love, care, affection, intimacy, freedom, liberty, hate, etc. Just let us see how to use in our own sentence. The warmth of friendship, the warmth of love, the warmth of relationship, the warmth of freedom. Own sentences. Warmth of friendship. Please accept this gift, which is a token of our warm friendship. Warmth of love. The love between a mother and a child lasts and endures, which depicts the warmth of love. Warmth of relationship. Nowadays, the human relationships became weak as there was a lack of warmth of relationship. So these three sentences based on only one expression. So let us see the remaining in the lesson. Here in this lesson, the main verb and the auxiliary verbs are also clearly seen and observed. Look at the river. Look is main verb. It has very little water in it. Has is a main verb in the sentence. Once it was flowing well. So was auxiliary verb, flowing a main verb. Now it is dying. Is auxiliary verb, dying main verb. Can't you hear the cries of the dying river? Can auxiliary verb, hear main verb. If there is even negative form, can't also an auxiliary verb. The water in it is polluted. Is here is main verb. Do you get its stink? Do auxiliary verb, get main verb. Here when we see all these auxiliaries or be forms or helping verbs, but we can call it as auxiliary verb. It is a helping verb. It is a be form or it is an auxiliary verb. It is one and the same. So when we see a sentence, surely we can find an auxiliary verb and a main verb if it is there. Now let us see comprehension passage of this particular lesson. Why does Chief Seattle say that the earth is sacred to his people? The speaker says, I am a savage. Who do you think is a savage? The red Indian or the white? Why? Why does the chief say the destiny is a mystery to us? What is man without the beast? If all the beasts were gone, man would die from a great loneliness of the spirit. Why? Is man the sole owner of the earth? Pick out sentences from the speech to justify your answer. Why does the speaker say that if we spit on the ground, we spit on ourselves? It is a proverb and it is a wise saying and it is rightly used in this lesson. It has to create the mind power. All belong to the same family. The speaker says this to mean what is the correct option? Yes, you have to find out. In his speech, Chief Seattle asks the audience a number of questions. He also creates vivid pictures in the minds of the audience. What are the other features of the speech? List them. So let us think. Let us